Hey, hi everyone. My name is Rahul. So today we are going to see about the automated email responder agent. So this is the agent that is locally hosted. It is designed to read the email and categorize them into whatever the we need. It will respond to the draft and it will give the output using LLM. So I used langgraph for workflow orchestration. So local LLM, the model is Gemma 2B. I use the vector DB of voice and like a kind of a human approval. So the problem context is kind of I had given around the company name like kind of a Centra Automation Labs, like process numerous customers email, um, like simply whatever we need, like company properties or specifications we can tell. So around like that I had given the problem statement. So then system features, email classification. So the email classification, the model will giving the replay or draft the replay according to the urgency, and it will decide um, like a sales, support, billing, account issues, urgent, spam, whatever the need. The user has some kind of urgent, right? So according to it, it will be uh, you know it will decide using the scores, and it will manage to retrieve the content. So I use the rag over here to retrieve the stuffs or things from DB like a files. This ensures email drafts are grounded in accurate company specific informations. Then automated draft generation, the local LLM, a full response draft web blending. So customer query content, retrieved knowledge, base snippets, company rules. The human review step. Once the email get drafted, it will ask for approval. Once we approve, it will the sender will receive the message, or else if we denied, it will ask for feedback. Once we give the feedback, it will be binding over the our feedback, and it will enhance the draft, and it will give again. So this is the kind of thing I had over put it in a loop. So this is a project structure. As you mentioned in the email, or you give me some requirements. According to your requirements, I had made some project structure like a kind of exactly. So it is app.py. In this app.py, basically it is for routing back the getting input and output, like where it should go, where it should come, what are the models we are calling, like everything we are importing. I used to manage in app.py. Then graph.py. In this graph.py, wait, let me going. Yeah, graph.py. Where is it? Yeah, in graph.py. Um, so this contains actual workflow, uh, like using LLM, langgraph, and the agent, like binding everything together, and I had made into this graph.py. Then we are coming to models. In the model, we'll be using the LLM config. So LLM config, um, the LLM config all the prompts that what model should do. You should be giving the output like this. You should be giving the content like this within this tone, within this slang. Take input from the or uploaded text, our company details. It should be the very low casual business messages. It should not be very in rude manner. Like your email will be like this, and the output should be categorized: technical issue, urgency, confidence rate. Everything will be giving in the proper format I prompted over here. So according to my prompt, my model my agent will be behaving. So this is kind of declaring the behavior of the agent. So that is the thing. Then after that we'll be going to utils. um, In the utils we'll be seeing state.py. In this, the pydantic is a main thing over here. Pydantic means whatever should be placed where it should be placed there. Like email should be in string, body should be in string, classical is optional. Like you got it right. Like whatever the object should be in which manner, it should be in that manner. It should not be in misplaced or in different kind of things. It should be in proper place. So for that we are using state.py. Then tools.py. So tools.py is the thing. It is a utility. It has the stuff to retrieve the response from the DB. So that is the tools.py. Example, we are asking some content, so it will be retrieving the stuff from DB, and it will coming back. Then after we are going to a rack builder, I think so. Rack builder. A rack builder is basically it should embed the details and store in the vector DB. While we are running the stuff, it will be generating pickle file and meta file, pickle file and files file. So it will be doing the on 70% of the function. Once the data getting embedded, and it will store in the DB, and it will generate the pickle file and files file. In the pickle file, metadata will be there. In the files file, vector embeddings will be there. Pickle file metadata means the generated response. Vector embeddings means the converting embeddeds. So after what we are doing, we'll be doing the pricing details. What are the pricing details we are given? What are the rules we are set over here? We are seeing. Then after that, we'll going for we are seeing that files file is there, index file is there, like in files index directory. Once we run I already run, so it generated. So this is a requirement.txt. I used LangChain, langgraph, langcore, pydantic, sentence transformers, torch transformers, python-dotenv. So let me tell you what is actually langgraph is. It is a framework designed to help you build multiple step in AI flows. We'll be going to the project. So first we'll be giving we are activating the virtual environment, so it will not run in normal environment. So I activate the virtual environment. Sorry. Then after that, I'll giving I'll installing the requirements. Pip install requirements.txt. Then after that, I'll be giving into the Hugging Face Hub. I'm installing Hugging Face Hub. Once installed, I need to give in Hugging Face login. For this login, we need some token, right? I already generated my token from the Hugging Face and I pasted over in my clipboard. Let me show you in upcoming process. It's asking for CLA login. Actually, the token is activate. I made it over there because it may distract and made very length. That's why I just copy the token and make it's not here. I got you see it. Added the token credentials. Yes. So everything came. After that, we are loading the model. I already had the model. If you are loading the model in fresh, it will take many time and more time. So I already loaded the model, so it's fetched the 12 files and 100% completed. So the process is as much as quick, right? Then we are going for we are running the rackbuilder.py. After running the rackbuilder.py, what will happen is the model embedded the text and load it into the database and give the required needed context. I hope you understand, right? The rag will do all the stuffs like embedding, taking the tokens, whatever the things we are expecting. The RAG will do all the things and it will load into the database. So next step will be retrieving from the database, and those steps will be income. So it will take a little bit of time. So we'll wait for it. Yeah, we'll wait for a few minutes or seconds. Yeah. So yeah, it's actually need to summarize of it, right? Yeah, we need once the model loaded, it's asking for the options. Use default txt. I'm giving txt over here. Yeah, I already added the pricing details. Index directory will giving the default directory. Okay, once we click the enter, it will come. Chunk settings, yes. Once we click the yes, chunk size 500, we can giving the default 500, overlap 100. Okay, fine. So it's actually asking doing for embeddings from the uploaded model. Yeah, once everything is ready, now we need to run the whole entire application, python src app.py. So in this app.py, every routing is taken place, where you should go, where you should be there, whatever the stuffs, everything will be taken place over here. So so of course it will also take some time, because it should be loading the it's loading checkpoint shots. We'll be waiting for that. So in this process, the LLM will wrap the drafts for us from the database using RAG. It will retrieve, the RAG will actually retrieve from the database, like the embedded draft. So here we got it. Enter sender email. I'm just giving customer at Synthra Labs, synthra.com. Email body. So in the place of email body, I'm giving plan billing for a month. Yeah, we should give enter twice. Once after this input, we should give enter twice. It will be classifying the agent. What it will do in the backend is actually the LLM will wrap up the message from under getting the draft from getting the draft from database. So that draft reply classification general inquiry has RAG content, just generating email. It's actually generating the email. Yeah, we'll wait for a few minutes. So I had attached the text output, test input 1 2 3. You can go through that. Yeah, that's my previous testings, everything. So let us wait for a few minutes for what will say God going to happen. Yeah. Yeah, maybe it's a final step, right? So we'll wait for a few minutes. Yeah, it's generating. It's retrieving from database the embeddings. Yeah, actually it came. So dear customer, thank you for reaching out to your customer service team regarding your plan for a month. Yeah, actually exactly it's giving what we give in the body. So we're giving the every output over here. So it will ask for a human approval in below. Once we give approve, the email will be approved. Once we give the reject, it will be it will be enhanced from our feedback, and it will be given. Yeah, thank you for your patience. Oh, that's all about my project. I hope you like this. Thank you. If any queries, just reach me out. Waiting for a positive reply. Have a good day.